Hello, welcome back. I'm cutting onions today and I'm gonna show you how to make mini burgers. They're called sliders. But I made this meat. You need 1 pound in it. It's ground beef. There is Parmesan cheese. There is breadcrumbs, a teaspoon of olive oil, garlic clove crushed, 1 teaspoon of onion finely chopped, which I'm doing right now, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of olive oil for frying. Now it's time to put 1 egg in. I'll be right back, everyone. I'm back. It took a little longer than expected because I had to wash my hands because I had marker on them, but now I'm back. Okay, guys? So crack the egg and put it in the bowl. Now 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, I think. Okay, time to pour it in. Mixing the beef in. So I'm making the balls of meat, the meatball for the hamburger. It's hard to get it to look like a full sphere. I think that's pretty good. I think Keith is editing his video now, probably on his channel. He's my stepdad. He has his own channel. Okay. You should watch it. It's pretty good. It also teaches you how to cook. I'm gonna go ask what channel it is so you can see it if you'd like. It's hands_2_home. Pour the olive oil. Turn it to medium heat. It's time to put the burgers in the pan. I got 1. Whoa, that one made a splash. The burgers are ready to flip now. I've never flipped a burger before. Wish me luck. I'm gonna do this one. Oh, well, I guess you're going over here. We're getting the little Hawaiian rolls, buns. I'm gonna put tomato first, because that's how I always do them. Tomato, Hawaiian roll, lettuce, and I think that's it.
That's how good it is.
That is amazing, a little hot, but amazing. There's the end of that video. I hope you enjoy the video and your burger. Have a great day. Bye.